Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a no glue slime recipe. So I got some shampoo here, my mixing tool, and my bowl. And so let's get started. So first you're going to want to add your shampoo. So add a little bit in. So I got my shampoo in, set that off to the side. Now we're going to mix it. Mix that up. Then you are going to need 3 different types of soap. So now you go get the other 2. So the other one is Mr. Bubble Bath. This one does work, so add some of that to your bowl. So it's going to be half and half, so it's even. Oh man, getting the worst luck today. Mix that up. It's clumping up a little bit, if you see that. So let me get the other one. So for the last one, I was wrong. We're going to use Cavity Protection Colgate toothpaste. And just a little bit of this. Mix it up. Now if you see something going on with these 3 things, comment down below. Okay, so I got it all mixed up. Time for this special ingredient. So I got my special ingredient, sea salt. So let's pour a little bit. It is a bit chunky, but it's okay. So that's how much I'm going to add. Now save the rest. There is 2 special ingredients. So let me get the other one. So this one is a bit heavy, so I'm going to have to put this to the side. It's a jug of Great Ultra Dishwashing Liquid Original Scent. Let's pour a little bit in here. Okay. Oh, I dropped some. Who cares? Mix this up. And then you're gonna leave this in the fridge for the freezer for 20 minutes. And let's go. So after 20 minutes, it should look like this. I did decide to put some food coloring in mine and glitter. I don't know how it turned clear, but let's see if this is slime. It's slime, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is slime. Oh my god. I'm really not stretching. But leave a like and comment down below if this works for you. And subscribe. Bye.